911, what's your emergency?
Can you please come over here? I just saw a guy get shot in the head, please.
What's the address you're at?
Terrace.
What's the address you're at?
I can't. We're in the mobile homes, Southlake Mobile Homes. It's Terrace, or Terrace. Winnipeg. Hurry up, please, bye.
Do you have
He got shot in the head. Hurry up. He's still alive. Hurry up. She got shot in the head. Bye. Hurry, please.
No, ma'am.
Please.
Do you know who it was?
No.
Is the other person still there?
He got shot in the head.
Are they alive? Are they breathing?
We gotta go. We gotta go.
Ma'am.
He's dead. He's dead.
Ma'am, are you there?
Hey, he's dead. He's dead.
Hello? 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 Ma'am, are you there? Can you hear me?
You got shot in the head in front of me, bro.
Ma'am, is the other person still
You gotta go! Shut the fuck up, bitch! Come over here!
We have officers on the way. Hello?
We good? I do not have lethal. I'm grabbing the gun. Hey, do not move. Do not move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Grab the gun. Grab the gun.
Hey, take your time. Go ahead. I'm going last. Go ahead.
I do not have lethal. I'm grabbing the gun. Hey, do not move. Do not move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Grab the gun.
You're good. Take your time. Take your time. Hey, take your time.
Secure the gun.
All right, let's get a med bag. Let's start getting a medical bag out here, and let's start seeing if we can plug some more.
You got a pulse?